Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you that's sure to spark creativity and fun in young crafters. We found the original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit is a DIY space slime set designed specifically for kids aged 8 to 12. It allows young creators to embark on a cosmic adventure right from the comfort of their home. This kit includes everything needed to make mesmerizing slime that captures the beauty of the galaxy, complete with glow-in-the-dark elements that add an extra layer of enchantment. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of glow-in-the-dark stars. When you create your slime, these stars allow kids to craft beautiful, galactic designs that light up in the dark, making for a truly magical experience. In addition, the kit comes with vibrant glittery slimes in shades of pink, purple, and blue. These colors not only appeal to a child's aesthetic preferences but also provide the opportunity for imaginative exploration as they mix and match to create their unique slime concoctions. The original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit is perfect for girls aged 8 to 12, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or special occasions. It's especially suitable for those who enjoy hands-on crafting and are looking for an engaging activity that encourages creativity. With this kit, young girls can immerse themselves in a world of imaginative play, allowing them to express themselves while developing their crafting skills. But how can this kit be used practically? Well, it's not just about making slime. This kit can be a fantastic group activity for birthday parties or sleepovers, where kids can come together to create and share their cosmic slime creations. It can also serve as a relaxing crafting session after school, providing a creative outlet for kids to unwind and explore their artistic side. Plus, the glow-in-the-dark feature makes it a fun addition to nighttime play, where they can showcase their glowing creations in the dark. The comprehensive DIY nature of this kit means that it includes all the essential supplies needed for a fun and creative experience. From fluffy slime materials to the vibrant glitter and cosmic stickers, this kit is designed to provide hours of entertainment. It is perfect for young girls who love vibrant crafting experiences and enjoy making unique mementos they can be proud of. In summary, the original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit is an exciting and creative product that encourages imaginative play for kids aged 8 to 12. With its engaging features, vibrant colors, and glow-in-the-dark elements, it's an excellent choice for birthdays or just as a fun project to do at home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,